Hey, Charles here, y'all, and Gerard in the back. And so we're gonna go and do a cleanup for this house real quick. We already trimmed the bushes. They need like a move-out cleanup, so we're gonna go ahead and do the house wash, do the driveway. We're gonna use an Xjet right here for the driveway. All right, I should put 4% SH. So here we go. All right, y'all, 4-gallon per minute pressure washer right here. Already Xjetted the whole driveway with 4% SH. Let it break down organic growth. So when we're done downstreaming the whole house and rinsing it, we'll go ahead and surface clean the driveway. As you can see, it's a very dirty house, y'all. So I forgot one thing. That was surfactant. Went down my checklist. I said surfactant in the trailer. I literally thought I put surfactant in the trailer, but I didn't. But so we're just using straight up SH because you don't have to use surfactant if you don't want to. It still works, but you notice how it just drip it. The surfactant like helps it stick to the siding. So if you notice, no surfactant is just sliding down the siding, but it's still gonna work, y'all. You just might have to apply more. So as you can see, y'all, right here, I ain't filming the whole thing, y'all, okay? Because there's just so much spraying I did without the surfactant. All right, so surfactant does help it's the SH stick to the siding, all right, so it could duo better. But I literally used like about almost 9 gallons. This is about like 8.5 gallons, I think, of SH on this house. It's either it was too dirty or because I didn't have surfactant to let it stick on the house. No matter what, y'all, it was too dirty. Always carry me extra SH. You know what I mean? Like in a house this size, it'll be 5 gallons, but I would bring like an extra 5 gallons because you never know. Hey, what if the neighbor wanted their house washed, all right? Or what if you run into a scenario like this and you need extra SH? But downstreaming 4-gallon per minute pressure washer, as you can see, that 4 gallon per minute, y'all, it's powerful enough to hit to the very top of a second story, all right? 4 gallon per minute pressure washer is a good pressure washer to begin with. I like it. It's awesome. I downstream when I do a house wash. Again, that good rinse. So, hey, y'all, so we didn't have surfactant. I thought I put it in the trailer, but I didn't. But you don't need surfactant if you're gonna do a house wash or a pressure wash. Surfactant helps because like it helps the surfactant helps the SH stick to the siding. What is surfactant? It's like a dish soap, though. It's a soap, all right. Helps it stick to the siding, but we didn't have it with us, so we went ahead and knocked it out still. And what helped out because if you noticed, the SH was just sliding. It was just like sliding down the vinyl siding, all right. So this house we should have used 5 gallons of SH. I mean, it was real dirty, but so we actually used 8 gallons, close to 9 gallons. All right, so I don't know if it was because we didn't have the surfactant, didn't help, because there was still dirty spots we had to hit like over and over again. So I don't know if because we didn't have surfactant and what helped out, or because we just had to use more SH. And lesson learned, y'all. Oh, I know. I like surfactant. All right, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna keep surfactant in the truck. But no worries, y'all. All right, if you're watching this video, and if you go out there and do a house wash and you forgot your surfactant or Dawn dish soap, hey, don't worry. Okay, you can still use it. You may need some more SH just in case the house is real dirty. Okay. So we're getting that good rinse out right now. All right, a good rinse. I don't know if you noticed that up there, man, how dirty it was. I had to hit it like a couple of times. I think that was like about a whole gallon of SH on that one strip right there. I think I used like a whole gallon. Low pressure, y'all. For whatever reason, a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. When we're keeping our distance, Gerard has the David Shooter tip right there. All right. Oh no, he has an M5 clip he's using. All right. Getting up there on that peak. All right. They're gonna use the M5 clip. All right. It's either for downstreaming and for rinsing. All right. We're using 4 gallon per minute pressure washer, but low pressure. We're keeping our distance, not to apply pressure on the house. All right, because pressure can damage the siding. All right. Like I said again, we used like about 8 gallons of SH because we didn't use surfactant. You know what I mean? It didn't have the SH stick to the siding to get that penetrate that algae and mold off the house. Or maybe we just needed more SH because you saw how dirty the house was. Alright, so if I know I'm gonna do a house, it's like 5 gallons, but I always carry an extra 5 gallon container of SH. Because you never know, y'all. You may need more. Or the customer may, the customer's neighbor may come out, hey, can you do my house too? So they're gonna set up over there. Alright, y'all. Hey, Gerard's he's hitting the bushes again as he's rinsing, okay? Gotta get these bushes real good, alright? They didn't want this trimmed over here, so I had to wet them real good. There you get, was that the David Shooter tip? Get that tighter stream up there. We got some wind, y'all, so we need that David Shooter tip. It gives out a tighter stream, a more narrow stream. So you could get that combo right there, David Shooter tip and M5 twist online. Just search M5 twist and David Shooter tip combo. They sell that online, y'all. All right. So that right there, you see that right there, that damage? I took before pictures of that, y'all. Okay. All right. So we're gonna just try to stay away from hitting it with water underneath, okay, to go over, all right? But I already got videos of that and a picture of that, just in case if the customer asks what happened, I'll just say, hey, it was already like that, here's a picture. All right, hey, we're wetting the bushes real good, y'all. Every time we have a chance, wet the bushes real good. Cleaning them bushes, all right? Soak those bushes with water before and after. Possibly if you could do it during, all right? But your hose will have like SH on there, you know what I mean? So you have to like get like some other source of water source to spray them during the pressure washing or salt washing, whatever you want to call it. I call it salt washing. We're keeping our distance, applying low to soft pressure on the house, all right? With the M5 twist. Keeping our distance, y'all, all right? We're letting the chemical clean the house, and we're just spraying on the water to rinse the house. That's all we're doing. We're not applying pressure, okay? As you can see, he doesn't have a lance on the gun. It's just the gun under the M5 twist and the David Shooter tip combo right there from the gun, all right? So you don't need to get on the ladder and take the algae or mold off with pressure, you know what I mean, with the gun, all right? You're not taking it off with pressure, taking it off with the chemical and rinsing it off with the water. No pressure at all, okay? There's a 4 gallon per minute setup right there, all right? Hey, check that out, y'all. I have y'all vehicle marked up and tagged. If you haven't, make sure you do that, okay? Because you never know who's watching your truck come by. Hey, anybody could do this, all right? Anybody could do this. I have a brother from church. He's gonna go out this week with a pump-up sprayer and do a house, all right? He's gonna make sure to mix the SH with water to make sure it's at about a 1% SH. He's gonna pump spray the SH on the house, let it dwell, and he's gonna rinse it off with the water hose. Hey, there's many ways to do this, y'all, okay? Pump-up sprayer, pressure washer, 12-volt system. There's many ways, all right? There's no excuse, okay? If you need that extra cash, okay? Hey, y'all could do it, y'all. Go knock on doors, go find a dirty house, and ask them, hey, do you need your house clean? I could do it for this much money, all right? So anybody could do this, okay? That's why I'm making these videos, because I was lost, y'all. I was trying to learn, you know what I mean? I didn't know what I was doing. I watched a lot of videos, Dan's vlogs, powerful improvements, the fresh rinse, the pink flamingo. All right, there's many people out there, y'all, like showing these videos, okay? You don't gotta buy a class, all right? You don't gotta buy a class, okay? Hey, you know what? I will tell you this, Mr. Bubbles, I did buy his class. He has like a legit, what do you call it? Membership, okay? It's only like $89, and he gives you tons of information that you probably won't find on YouTube, okay? So he has some good advice and some good tips, and he'll even call you right away. All right, so I pass my knowledge down. The knowledge I get, I pass it down to people. I had the opportunity to talk to somebody over the phone. He wanted my knowledge. He called me from New Jersey. He said, hey, I saw your videos and I was wondering about 4-gallon per minute pressure washer. So we sat on the phone and talked for about an hour. Hey, y'all, if you want to know my trial and errors, how I do it, my number is 910-939-9020. Don't hesitate to call me. All right, passing the knowledge, y'all. All right, it's an honor to pass the knowledge. Okay, I like to help somebody else out. Okay, but you could do this, y'all. All right, never quit or give up. All right, in order way to make money, in order way to learn is you got to get out there. All right, I was watching this show, The Good Doctor. He gave this good quote. It's good to make mistakes. Mistakes are good. All right, he was talking to somebody else. All right, hey, if you never made a mistake, that means you never did anything. Okay, that means you never did anything. All right, you're not gonna learn unless you go out there and do something. All right, we're at the last side. All right, we already did the back, the other side, the front. This is the last side. This side was dirty too, y'all. All right. And look, y'all, I put their stuff right here. Okay, away from the door. Okay. Hey, property management. Okay, take care of the property. Okay, move it away from the door. As you can see right here, I taped up their doorbell. I kept up their doorbell and their locks. Okay, property management. Okay. Those over there, they're already covered real good. I make sure they're covered real good. I wet them real good with water. All right, pre-wet them real good with water. Like the outlet right there, I check the cover, it's real good. I just soak it down with water real quick before I lay it on the SH, all right? That's how I do it, y'all. Wetting the windows real good, okay? Wet the windows real good before and during the rinse. Before you lay down the SH, and try to avoid laying the SH on the window when you're doing the house. But when you're rinsing, get the windows real good, okay? Because that SH will drip on the windows. If you leave it on there, or leave it like foggy stains. All right, here's some footage, y'all, of surface cleaning. So we already did the house wash. So this SH was sitting on the concrete for like about 40 minutes, okay? Because that's how long it took to do the house wash because it was so dirty. We had to go over it again and treat a lot of areas again with SH. And we rinsed it, and now that we're done, we're surface cleaning, okay? So how I do surface cleaning, I do one section at a time. As you can see, I surface clean the bricks right there. And then I'll get I don't use the gun, I just use the ball valve to rinse, all right? To rinse it off like that, okay? That's how I use the ball valve, okay? I'll open it up a little bit, and I'll get that hard spray, all right? But look at that SH, y'all. I don't know if you remember how the bricks looked at the beginning. They're very black and brown and dirty. But look at that now, y'all. Very clean, okay? I laid down 4% SH, okay, with the Xjet, all right? The Xjet has like little proportioners where you can control how much SH you want. I don't put the proportioners in there. I just have it open. And after doing a bucket test, I calculated 4% SH, all right? So, and this driveway was very dirty. I gave her a deal. The house wash was $300. Driveway was $300. But I told her if we do both with the lawn care, I'll take $100 off the driveway. So we got $500 for the house wash and $200 for the driveway. And we also did the street curb. Hey, call me 910-939-9020 if you have any questions. That I can answer. Hey, yo, I just got done taking pictures. Customer came out, she was very happy with it, all right? There were stubborn spots everywhere, y'all, all right? We had used a lot of SH. We used about 8 gallons. Other than that, y'all, was worth it, all right? Hey, look for a good dealer that sells SH, okay? I get mine from MVP out of Wilmington, North Carolina. Shout out to them. $15, all right, for 5 gallons of 12.5% SH, all right? That's awesome. Other than that, here we go. I did have to get the little Franklin out. There was like a little stubborn spot right there. I had to give it the scrub brush. You want to call it scrub brush. Got all that right there. The plants are all good. The bushes. Look at that, y'all. She was very happy. Here's the driveway. Driveway got done. What do y'all think? Hey, leave a comment, all right? 910-939-9020. I'll be happy to answer any questions how I downstream SH with a 4-gallon per minute pressure washer. Hey, shout out to Brian in New Jersey. Thank you, Brian, for calling me last night. It meant a lot to me. Asking questions, asking for my knowledge. That means a lot, right? That's why I'm doing this, y'all. Okay, because I was lost. Didn't know what I was doing. I had to do a lot of research, look a lot of videos, and trying to make it simple for y'all, okay, by explaining. So here's the brick. Trim the bushes. He's gonna get pictures taken for they're gonna sell the house. So I went ahead and trim the bushes to get that get some good pictures. Wendell from Williams Lawn Care is gonna come out and do the lawn. So this all just standing water right here, y'all. I did my best to now I have a scrubber, I could scrub it over there, but it's just gonna come back. All right. But it is a big difference, okay? Hey, like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Your comments mean a lot. Constructive criticism. If you want to talk smack, all right, by all means, go ahead, leave a comment, all right, so other people could comment back and reply. Hey, let's share knowledge, y'all. Hey, thank you. God bless. Hey, Gerard, what do you think?
Well done.
How was it today?
It was good.
All right, that's Gerard, y'all. Hey, shout out for Gerard. Hey, y'all, God bless, man. See you on the next video. Bye.